Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Scalable Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. We're going to continue our exploration into our partner BeyondTrust and the many solutions that they offer. We've talked a lot about the remote control capabilities of BeyondTrust, so BeyondTrust remote support more specifically. And one of the things that can be done with the remote support product is it can be integrated into your IT service management platform. So it can be integrated so that you can launch a chat session from within your ITSM platform. You can set up the portal to allow customers to be able to request a remote support session. And the integration also allows you to record chat that may have gone on within the remote support solution, as well as if you record your remote support sessions, the link to the recording for the remote support session. So should an issue or question or what have you come up later, that remote support session can be reviewed to see specifically what was done, either as a training mechanism or as a resolution to potentially a complaint or issue that may have come up. So the integrations vary, and the remote support product does provide a full API, so integrations could be carried beyond the items that I just mentioned. Stay with us as we continue to explore the many features and capabilities of the BeyondTrust suite of products.